Taste of Sudan. Authentic Sudanese Ful Medames recipe. Subscribe and like for a flavorful journey. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a flavorful journey to Sudan. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Sudanese Ful Medames. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Sudan. To create this flavorful Sudanese Ful Medames, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 2 cups of dried fava beans, 4 cups of water, 1 onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tomatoes, diced 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of ground paprika, salt to taste, ground black pepper to taste, fresh lemon wedges for serving, fresh parsley or cilantro chopped for garnish, hard-boiled eggs for serving, optional, warm pita bread for serving. Now, let's experience the flavors of Sudan. Step 1. Rinse the dried fava beans thoroughly under running water. Then, soak them in water overnight to soften. Step 2. Drain the soaked fava beans and add them to a pot with 4 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil. Then reduce the heat and let the beans simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until they become tender. Step 3. In a separate pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and fragrant. Step 4. Add the diced tomatoes to the pan, stirring everything together. Let the tomatoes cook down and release their juices. Now, it's time to add the aromatic Sudanese spices, ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground paprika. Stir well to incorporate the spices into the mixture. Step 5. Take a ladleful of the cooked fava beans from the pot and mash them slightly. This will create a creamy texture that adds richness to the Ful Medames. Step 6. Add the mashed fava beans to the pan, combining them with the onion-tomato mixture. Stir everything together, allowing the flavors to meld. Step 7. Season the Ful Medames with salt and ground black pepper to your taste preference. Give it a final stir, and it's ready to serve. Step 8. Serve the Sudanese Ful Medames in a bowl, garnishing it with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for a burst of freshness. Step 9. Enjoy the Sudanese Ful Medames with warm pita bread and optional hard-boiled eggs and lemon wedges. Get ready to savor the authentic flavors of Sudan with each delightful bite. And there you have it, Sudanese Ful Medames, a flavorful and hearty dish that represents the authentic tastes of Sudan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Sudan. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Sudanese Ful Medames. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Sudan and happy cooking.